Ready to unlock a world of financial possibilities and manage your money like a global pro, all without spending a dime? Today, we're diving into a super useful Revolut trick, creating additional country accounts absolutely free. This means managing multiple currencies, easier international transactions, and a whole new level of financial flexibility. Let's get started. First, open your Revolut app on the bottom menu. Tap the accounts icon. This normally looks like a graph or wallet. This will take you to your current account overview. Now look for the Add Account button. It might be a plus sign or say Create Account. Directly tap on that. This is your gateway to new currency options and international accounts. You'll now see a list of available currencies. Scroll through and find the country or currency you want to add an account for. For instance, if you need a Euro account, select EUR. After selecting your desired currency, Revolut will display a confirmation screen. Double check everything looks correct and then tap Create Account to finalize setup. And that's it. Your new country-specific account is now live within Revolut, ready for you to deposit funds, make transactions, and manage your finances in that currency. Remember, you can create multiple accounts this way, unlocking a truly global banking experience with Revolut. Enjoy!